Welcome to Kids Cooking Failure Show. I'm Sophia.
I'm Christina. I'm Paulina. We are sisters.
Last time we spoke about the dangers of added sugars, and I'm sure a lot of you already tried to look at your food packages to see how much sugar you are getting. Today we're going to show you how to read those packages and know how much sugar you are getting. So
when you are like us, just starting to eat healthy, it's hard not to eat sweet stuff at all. Our bodies need to adjust little by and learn little by little to choose less sweet stuff.
When you eat foods from the store, always look at the labels and see how much sugar there is per serving. And look how big the serving is. For example, this box of cereal. Find the nutrition facts on the side of the box and see how big a serving is. Here it says that one serving is 1 cup, 40 grams, and look right below it and it says the sugars. Total sugars is 9 grams, includes 9 grams of added sugar.
You can even take a measuring cup and measure out 1 cup of cereal, then put it into your bowl and see if it's enough for you to eat. If so, then leave it how it is. If it's not, add let's say another half a cup. Then, remember, it's another 4.5 grams of sugar. So in your bowl, that's 13.5 grams of sugar, not including the milk. With the milk, look how much sugar it has and pour sparingly.
Look at this box of frozen fruit bars. If you look at the nutrition fact, it says there's 14 grams of sugar. That's a lot of sugar for this little treat. Sometimes you may find snacks that don't have sugar in the ingredient list, but still have sugar in the nutrition facts. Like this Paleo Bites or this Lar Bar. Paleo Bites have 10 grams of sugar and 9 grams of added sugar. They're sweetened with honey. Honey is healthier than sugar, but it's still sugar. And a Lar Bar has 17 grams of sugar and 0 grams of added sugar. It is sweetened with dates, which are naturally sweet.
It's all sugar in the end. Even though sugar and corn syrup are the worst ones we are trying to avoid completely, for now we need to focus on getting less of added sugars to our diets. We need to train our taste buds to like healthier sugars first. Because when you eat a lot of processed junk food, your taste buds are used to the taste of cane sugar and corn syrup, and other sugars don't even taste good.
Sugar in fruits is called fructose. When it is in the fruit, it has fiber and vitamins still attached to it, so it does not go into our blood and give us too much energy at once, also known as a sugar buzz.
Look at this box of frozen fruit bars. If you look in the nutrition facts, it has 14 grams of sugar. That's a lot of sugar for this little treat.
Here's one thing we can do to avoid eating added sugars. Make your own
frozen fruit bars.
Let's talk about safety first. The kitchen is a dangerous place with knives, hot objects, and fire. Remember to always have an adult supervising you in case you need help.
Before you start cooking, you need to wash your hands with soap and you need to tie up your hair, and it would be nice to wear an apron to protect your clothes.
After you are ready to cook, you will need an adult to help you set up the blender, and you will also need frozen pot molds for this recipe.
This recipe has so many different versions of it. Here is what we are using today. 3 ripe bananas. They can be frozen or fresh.
1 cup of organic frozen berries. We have mixed berries here.
1 can of full-fat coconut milk. You need a grown-up to help you open it. We will start putting the ingredients in right now.
Do you need a spoon?
Okay.
A pinch of sea salt. Always add a pinch of salt to your sweets. It brings out the natural sweetness of your ingredients.
Our mom likes to sneak into our pops some collagen powder, but you don't have to do it. Put all the ingredients into the blender and blend it until all ingredients are well blended.
Into the molds and freeze for 4 to 6 hours.
You need to be super careful with this part.
Okay, that's one. Okay, that's second. Let's go fast. Stop out now. This part can get messy. Very.
Of course it can.
Make sure it's
We do.
So down the middle first. That's too less. Alright, that's good.
It's perfect. If you have no patience or time to wait, you can always eat your smoothie straight out of the blender without freezing it. It is delicious.
Smoothie into the mold and freeze in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours. We made these last night, and here's a trick to release the seal of your ice pop. Take your ice pop out and dip it in hot water.
Not all the way though, because then the water will get into your ice pop.
And then see if it comes out.
You might have to
If
dip it a few
not,
times though.
you have to dip it another time. Not all the way. I know. That's fine.
You have to let it sit.
Okay, let's see if it worked now.
Yay! That's Paulina's ice pop.
I'll
Yum.
do mine now.
That's good.
Okay. Ow! The hot water. Do. Yeah, might take us to try.
Let it sit.
Let it sit like near the. Let's sit near the bottom of the ice pop because that's where you need to.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know if you made your own frozen fruit pops and what ingredients did you use.
We love hearing from you. Comment down below and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy, make smart choices, and don't eat all the sugar that comes your way.
Educate your friends and show them our videos.
Bye!